Alright guys, here's a little update on my previous video of a helmet slash shell technique. And there's another feature after update with the raise degree function. And what we're able to do now is, for example, grab a rectangle, C for center, something like this, B for new body, G, fetched away for now, right click to confirm, Control D, center, here it's center on the object, F to flip, escape, 3, select edge, Shift S, Shift S, Shift S, Shift S, G, G, and we're able to do some tricky stuff with it. Make sure you're on the point selection, GG, this, right click to confirm, GG, you know what I mean. Click these, shift these, top view, G on these axes, you have a kind of thingy, 3, make it narrower, and yeah, 3, like this space, get it in front of it, Shift A, hold Control, and yeah, just get it there, B, to bevel it, C to cut, select this, right click to confirm, 4, next to delete, 2, next to delete, 4, like this, 1, Alt X, freestyle, these, merge halves together, okay, and you have it something like this now, 3, rotate, and you know, that's a battle weapon, a graphic designer. 2, fill it, yeah, easy now.